lot of participants who are trying to join the workshop. So in RVS Padmavati School of Architecture, we strongly believe that there are 5 ways for us to be a successful architect. Each of this character has a very, very strong philosophy and logic that brings this entire program together. The 5 characters are hands-on, technology-ready, collaborate, trending, and multitasker. The first character that we strongly embody in RVS School of Architecture is that hands-on. So we have created an exclusive program for our students to be part of a live project. So they are involved in real-time construction of building projects that add value to their education and also to their experience. So here in RVS, the students start building projects as a student itself from their year 1 onwards. So building and making buildings have been a part of their curriculum. To give a small example, one of the first projects that we did was in Surat. It's a live project. It's a library project that was done, which actually came out to be a very big success. It's a project that we completed in 30 days. We've done a parametric pavilion, which is installed in Chennai, but was fabricated completely in Mumbai. We've completed a resort in Chikmagalur. And one of the most recent projects that we did is in Nagpur. It's a live project that was completely done with bamboo. Our students were part and collaborated with the Forest Research Institute in 361 bit to do a very interesting geodesic kind of a dome structure where they work inside the forest and created structures for the Forest Research Institute. So this bamboo geodesic dome was a very interesting structure for us because we built the entire structure from start. And in a live project, the student gets the exposure to be part of a program in a way where they actually don't only work as designers, but they work as builders and contractors in making the project happen. Whenever we travel to any place, we make it a point the students also explore important and significant architectural cities in this course of travel. Another project that I showed already is a project that we completed in Chikmagalur. It's a resort. It was built on the sides of a river and it was very interesting location in the hilly sides. And our students worked completely on timber joinery and timber construction. So this is the completed picture of the resort that you can see. This was completely built. The frame was built by our students and the wall was built by another set of students. So we had 2 batches of students traveling to the site and being a part of this live project. So the students also came up with an exhibition that was displayed. So usually an architecture student does a physical model for a building that they design, but here they have done a physical model for a building that they've actually completed construction, and that changes the way they look at architectural detailing in a much more refined manner. During this course of travel, they also meet a lot of different architects. They visit a lot of different firms. They also visit a lot of important buildings. All this is very important for their architectural inspiration and their journey as a student where they're going forward into their career. This is the project that we completed in Surat, the library project. You can see the before and the after pictures. In the live project design, there is another wing that is called live project design. We are also collaborated with the Greater Chennai Corporation to build real-time projects for the Chennai Corporation. So this is the bus shelter design that we launched as a competition for the students and came out with very interesting designs. We also had a community building that was done, and we were asked to design the facade of that particular building, which is also floated out as a competition for students to participate. And we also presented it to the IAA chairman, and a jury was conducted where students got the opportunity to work on real projects as part of their student life itself. The second character we strongly believe is being technology ready. We have introduced India's first AAD, an Academy of Advanced Architecture and Design, a program that works extensively with softwares. And as a part of AAD, we've created diploma in BIM, which is the first of its kind diploma that we've collaborated with BIM Labs and conducted a program which is very, very exclusive in its holistic manner, where students go through 2 years of rigorous training and they come out. So as an architecture student of RVS, he not only gets a 5-year degree, he also gets a diploma in BIM certification, which is quite very important in the current field. And as we move forward, we have also collaborated with the Factory of Knowledge in Mumbai, one of the largest fabrication factories in the country, with Folds Design Studio, who has created some very interesting projects across the entire country. And one of such projects was where our students designed a pavilion, which we fabricated and built it in our nature campus, and is now standing. It's around 25 feet by 12 feet tall. And this is a very big structure that was installed completely by the students from design to fabrication. The third character is called Collaborate. We strongly believe collaboration is the way forward. We conduct an exclusive academic program called the Vertical Studio, where students work with different institutions to understand and learn from different faculties and students. So we've conducted various Vertical Studio programs as part of our academic curriculum. So we've conducted one such program in Malaysia. This was the recent program that we completed with Chandigarh University. So we had taken Chandigarh as a site for our metro construction, and Chandigarh does not have a metro. So we have students from Chandigarh who came to Chennai to learn about the metro, and our students went out to Chandigarh to collaborate with the institution and create a metro station in Chandigarh. We had an international collaborative studio as well, which was with UTM Malaysia, which was a comparative study of two extremely fast developing urban centers, one in Malaysia and one in Chennai. Our students stayed in Malaysia, UTM, for a few days, worked with the students in the faculties, and came up with their design proposals. And they also spent some time exploring the city of Malaysia. Another vertical studio is with the IPS Academy of Architecture Indore, which is a very interesting institution with whom we worked on something called biomimicry as part of our semester one academic project, where students broke down the essential homes of different animals and understood architectural principles from those studies. Another vertical studio with Brick School of Architecture in Pune on Advanced Building Technology Studio. We have an exclusive program called the Travel Theme Studio in semester one, which focuses on students understanding and improving their observation skills. So we've completed our travel on Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, and Neidal, and we've also started moving national, where we worked on Palai, which is one of the most recent travel themes that we did, where we worked and saw Jaipur and Jaisalmer as a very interesting theme for our semester one students to study. And some of the examples of exercises that they do is, most of this travel is very, very strongly inspired. They come back taking a lot of interesting things. So, for example, this is a fishing net that was seen in Assam by our students. And they came out to design that and create architectural models and forms inspired from the fishing nets. An example of the rural studio, which is also a very essential part of our academic curriculum. We've also strongly collaborated with various firms across the entire country, and we encourage our students. We also host various other college students to come and be part of these interactions that we conduct in architects' offices, which are very, very, very essential for students, because they are the aspiration for the students. So they have visited multiple studios all over India. This is with Manish Gulati in Delhi, with architect Sanjay Mohe in Bangalore, architect Abhin Chaudhary in Kolkata, Gerard Dakuna and Dean Recruz sir in Goa. The fourth character we strongly believe is called a multitasker. We've created a program called the Summer Winter School, which is a very interesting opportunity for students to travel and learn. So they do a different kind of opportunity in Summer Winter School, where they work on allied fields of architecture. So this is where they worked on climate responsive architecture with Pillu Modi College of Architecture. They worked with Beneath the Waves with Geetham School of Architecture in Visakhapatnam as a project which was talking about what was built beneath the waves. It's a project called Nexus. We did a disaster resilience program in Uttarakhand, which is an experience for the students in a new avenue completely. Some of the design prototypes. The fifth character we strongly believe is called trending. It's important for a student to be in trend to understand what's going on in the market. So we have tutored a program called the Finishing School, which helps the students to understand how the market works, what is the reality, and the different kind of materials that come. So we introduce and invite various architects to be part of our studios. We strongly advocate students understanding sustainable concepts and becoming a part of IGBC. We're a very, very happy and excited partner of IGBC. We've conducted various national level programs for students to be IGBC certified. We won the Green Champion Award in the year 2023 for our constant development and ideas towards promoting green education. We conduct something called Vault, where we invite various industrial partners to come and explore to our students about the new trends in the market. And our students also get to visit various factories. We've also conducted various other programs like the Building Information Modeling Workshop and the GIS program, which is a very, very national level program that we connected with more than 1,000 participants. So we focus a lot on teaching the students BIM and GIS as part of their BR curriculum itself. And they are becoming a certified professional in our campus these days, where they use GIS a lot in their urban design. This is the most recent digital fabrication workshop where students explored Rhino, a parametric workshop which focused on conducting talks. Another building information modeling workshop that was done for faculties and professionals alone, which is an Autodesk certified program. We are already coming up with more such very relevant programs as part of the academic curriculum. And some of the achievements of our school are, we've been always holding a lot of ranks in the Anna University in the UG and the PG program that we've conducted. This is in the last year. This is the year before that, where we had 4 students who had achieved ranks. We've also participated in various national level competitions and been shortlisted and also have won. And one of the most important things that has given birth, that was recently identified, and we've all taken the efforts to develop, is Tasa, the Alternative Schools of Architecture. So this is the founding director of Tasa, Mr. Stephen sir, and the president of COA, Abhay Purot sir, who've all come together to develop something very unique. And Tasa has always focused on creating new opportunities for students, architects and faculties to improve the standard of education. And we've collaborated almost all over India and all the 6 regions with more than 22 plus colleges who are part of the TASA organization. These are some of the institutions that are nationalized who are also part of our association. Our aim is to bring together firms, architecture institutions and industries in a very unique and a different platform, and conduct student development programs, faculty development programs, and professional development programs. So we've conducted a teachers training program with Chaya sir recently in 2022, which was a very unique program where we had 25 participants from all over country. We had a teacher training program with Yatin Pandya sir, which is also an exclusive program that was conducted in Chennai. We have also started collaborating on an international level with colleges in Dubai and Malaysia to understand how architectural education is being shaped on a global platform. We recently concluded the Unnati Ratna Lifetime Achievement Award, which was a unique and first of its kind award that was bestowed upon architect Raj Reval sir in Chennai. The event was hosted and was very grand. We also had the Student of the Year thesis competition in 2023, where we got around 105 students were shortlisted, from whom 10 students were brought to Chennai and presented their thesis works, and it was a grand event which we took forward. We're very proud to have started the Future of Architecture talk show, where we invited various architects to come and talk to the young minds and keep them inspired. And recently we had three very interesting architects come. One was architect Chitra ma'am, architect Vilas sir was the IA president, and concluding the talk was with architect Sanjay Moy sir. And we also conducted the exhibition of Sanjay Moy sir's work in Chennai at Build HQ, which is all very, very relevant in how we took things forward. We also take a lot of courage and very much passion in advancing the placement opportunities for our students. And we have created an exclusive job portal called ArcJobs, which we have exclusively created for the students to understand. So it's a very free website. We will be sharing the link in all the ArcJobs groups in all the communities for you to understand. The ArcJobs website is quite easy and straightforward. I will show you how we can register on it, and you can directly go in and register to find 1,000+ job opportunities that is available for the students, for architects who are recently passed out, and even senior architects to find the kind of job that you're looking for. We have also launched our first newsletter, the Archi Times, this year, and it is presented to the respected president of COA. We are very proud and excited to do such very exciting programs that keeps architecture fraternity. And today we've come to this place where we are doing the Sketchup workshop, which is going to be a very exciting program altogether. So I would like to show you the ArcJobs website alone, which gives a fair idea about how job placements are happening. So this is the ArcJobs website. We currently have more than 1,000+ jobs available in the entire website, and that's a great opening for all of us. The registration process is fairly simple. You can just go to directly register. It's a free registration. And inside this portal, we have 1,000+ jobs where you can easily find out ways to understand. So I would like to show you how the job portal works as well. You can choose the job based on your ideas. You can choose the job based on the softwares that you know, and you can definitely also choose the job based on the locality. So we have opportunities here. We have various categories: junior architect, intern architect, senior architect, civil engineer, architect, BIM architect. There are also artists and urban designers who are required. Based on the skills and the softwares that you know, you can also filter the jobs. You can also geographically position which place you would want to work and still filter the jobs and see how the portal works. The portal is completely free for all registered students, all registered architects who can be part of our portal. And now coming to the event which we have planned today, we've also started working a lot on developing international job portals as well. So very soon we will be updating various international job opportunities also. Today, this entire SketchUp workshop was in collaboration, was developed with Mystic Flows. A very good friend of ours, Mr. Mahesh, is joined to us. When I came up with the opportunity, we told him Tasa is going to be doing a lot of software workshops, but we also want to have a very interesting knowledge sharing partner who can come on board, who can sponsor, and who can also be a very integral part of the entire event. So I asked Mahesh if he would like to do it, and he was very much excited because every day there are new materials and new opportunities that is coming out in the market, and it is important for architects and students and professionals to know what is happening. So we invited Mahesh over to collaborate with us on this interesting workshop. And thank you, Mahesh, for joining with us. Mahesh claims to be the first son in his family running a corporate firm. Mystic is the first generation firm that was founded in the year 2011. It's a very strong 13-year-old company that has been in the industry of floor coverings, catering to architects, interior designers, and contractors for creating an ambience. They have a lot of prestigious projects that they've executed, and they're privileged to execute all across in different parts of the country. And there is a lot that they'll be sharing about their projects and their products in the upcoming presentation. They will be giving a small brief about what they do. And as on 2011, Mystic Flows is a company which is very close to his heart. and now in term as a founder of Mystic Flows Private Limited, because the company now has moved on to the next step to statutory compliance from a proprietorship firm to a private limited company. So there is no stopping this man, and he has got his own targets and his own benchmarks, and is always focusing on developing and creating quality products and quality service to various architects. And I'm very excited that he's also someone who's got a lot of other hobbies. He's also a karate champion and he's also a basketball player. But beyond all that, he's a very good human being. And thank you, Mahesh, for sharing the dice with us today. We're very excited and we're very happy that you could, come on board with us and share a few words about your firm and throw some knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you, Revezi, and thank you, RVS Padmavati and Tasa, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to share about our product details actually. And actually, what we do is that we create a path for your success. And how we do that is by making you feel comfortable as soon as you step into your house, office, or any of your eternities. So, my name is Mahesh Nadet, and I'm representing this firm called Mystic Flows Private Limited. So we are a one-stop solution for all your floor covering needs. So I would like to share you the screen for the products which we deal in. So Mystic Flows was started in the year 2011. From baby, now we are into our teens where we completed our 13 years in this industries. This journey
Mahesh,
has made many learnings. And we can, is the screen visible?
no, Mahesh. Actually, you have to go out and share the PPT directly. And the folder is only visible. Mahesh? Mahesh, you're on mute. Um, Mahesh? Shall we, can you,
Can you share the screen, Anthony? Actually, for this one.
yeah, I will share it. We will share
Yeah.
it from our end. 1 minute.
Yeah. Please.
One second. Yeah, you can start, Mahesh.
Uh,
Yes.
Domestic flows was started in the year 2011. Now we are in the years of 13 years in this industries, where our journey has very lots of crumbles, challenges, and we have walked through and now have started sprinting ourselves as much as fast we can. We have a team of almost 20 people, direct and indirect teams, wherein we have started supporting the architects, interior designers, and contractors to execute the jobs as much as possible. So our vision is to be available to all the dealers throughout the Chennai markets and in all the states of the country. Our mission is to enhance the lifestyles of every human being who stays in their house, offices, recreation spaces, research centers, rehabilitation centers, experience a better living and experience those which has always been dreamt of by many people. In short, we want to create an ambience for the people who want to stay with our own consultations, craftsmanships, and commitments. So this is some of the projects which we have executed. We have executed one of our prestigious projects at EZR called as Kaldan Samudra for the deckwood floorings, for which the image was already shared. This is through one of an international architect who has specified the product. Because of the quality of the products, we were able to bag the order for the Marriott hotels, which is put up at Chennai in Velachery. We were able to do the 4-point Sheratons along with that, and we are now a registered vendor for the Marriott hotels. Uh, we specialize in wooden floorings. Wooden flooring is a product which is being used majorly in the boardrooms, directors' rooms, suite rooms, bedrooms, and other parts of the residences and in the commercial spaces. This is for one of the architect friend who actually suggested the brand called as Chronotex. This is from Germany, where we executed the project for one of our celebrity client. This is for his residence. It was for actor Dhanush. So this is the actual site wherein we are an authorized distributors and stockist for the brand called as Chronotex, and we are able to supply this laminate wooden flooring in an herringbone pattern for the client, and the client was so much happy. The advantage of this is that the herringbone pattern normally is not the normal tug and roof. You'll have to add a wax inside it and then do the installation. So normally, not many people knows about the technique of installations, wherein we guide each and every architect and then give them a proper consultations, giving them the right product along with the right technology to be used, wherein we have our skilled laborers. Carpets are actually is majorly used for the MNC companies. We cater to the entire floor covering ranges, wherein we deal with lots of products in the floor coverings. Carpet is one of the product wherein we cater to the requirement for most of the corporate offices. So we have worked with many IT companies and many other. This was one of the project for the co-working space which we executed, which is called as Half Co-works. This is for one of the client in the Brigade Trade Centers, wherein we install the LVT flooring and the carpet flooring for them for the entire corporate offices. So LVT flooring is a flooring which is being used highly for the passage area for the high traffic areas, wherein it gets merged with the designs of the architects. So it's basically the architect's designs and we execute. So that's how we work. We have also executed some of the projects wherein the LVT is being used for MH Chidambaram stadiums, wherein we are promoters for the brand called as Merino LVT floorings, and we are one of the stockists for them also for the Merino laminate wooden floorings and LVT floorings. Moving on to our next product is the industrial floorings, which is called as an epoxy floorings, which is epoxy flooring is majorly used for the industries, wherein it becomes easy for them to take care of the product and for the high traffic areas. Ambigo Sports Flooring is one of the brand which is being used and promoted, which is majorly into the sports floorings and rubber flooring. The rubber flooring has been recycled and then reused, so making the environmental friendly. And we are happy to be part of many projects we execute for gyms and many other projects. and we have recently been executing a project for one of our premium clients also in Bombay. So, being in Chennai, we were able to execute this project for a client in Bombay, and we are very much happy to execute this, and they were very much pleased about the project executions, giving them the right product. We have given them this rubber flooring material for the gym areas with the specifications along with the EPDM inserted into it, making it user friendly for them. The quality of the product was top notch. I'll just share you the product. Can you, Anthony, can you just share the product video? We have a warehouse of almost 4,000 square feet. Yeah. Can you just share the video of the products actually?
1 minute. Trying to get that. Can you hear the audio?
Yes. The audio is feebly.
Sorry?
The audio is feebly. You can fast forward it actually.
Yeah, okay.
So we cater to the wooden flooring, vinyl flooring, sports flooring, carpets, artificial grass. We are importers for artificial grass. We have an EPDM floorings, epoxy floorings, and wide collections of floor coverings. We are connected with topmost manufacturers in catering to the floor covering industries. So that's the reason we are able to execute it. We have ready stocks of almost 2 lakh square feet available in our warehouse, and then where we can cater it. We have the top brands of international brands, and we are a one point contact for most of the architects, wherein we deliver the materials and then do the executions as well. So we become the one point contact. We also support them by shop drawings for bigger projects, wherein we execute for them and then cater and be a one point of contact for all their requirements. So we have been awarded as the best distributors for the brand called Prono Originals, and we have ready stocks available uh, in our warehouse, which is put up at Nerkondram, Manali, and we have our branch office at Coimbatore also. We have almost executed more than 30 lakh square feet of work, and we are still progressing to execute much more with most of the architects. So that's it about Mystic Flows. And to conclude, if you're good to people, people are good to you. That's how I've learned in my life, and I would like to thank Anthony for giving me this wonderful opportunity, wherein it was just a one sitting, and we were able to get the ideas and then execute to work and start up this initiative. I would like to thank the entire RVS Academy and the Tasa Group for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you for giving us a brief idea. In TASA, we also want to have such knowledge sharing partners with us who are taking the efforts to give something back and in a very interesting way. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a great opportunity for all the architects and students as well. So thank you, Mahesh, for joining with us. And I'm pretty sure that it is going to be very useful for all of us. Now
Thank you so much.
we would
And
like to.
I would like to also invite someone if you are looking forward for any product descriptions or details, do get in touch with us at our website, www.mysticforce.com, and you can always get in touch with us. Thank
Yeah,
you so
so
much.
we've also tagged Mystic Flows in all the Instagram posts in Tasa as well. You can follow them and you can find to know more details about them as well. So as we move forward, we would like to start with the bookshop. Today we have the tutor with us, Mr. Adil Mohammed, who's joined with us today from Trimble. We are very excited because this Trimble workshop is going to be a first of its kind. We've always learned SketchUp in a very different light. We've learned it as a software, as a tool that is very quick. But going through a professional exercise and learning and understanding, we are very excited about this collaboration that Tasa has been able to bring about with Trimble SketchUp directly. Adil is somebody who's worked as a building modeler at Dream Tech Builders and Developers. He's worked as a building model freelancer and is also a BIM trainer and a project manager, and is a very, very serious person who's looking at softwares as the way forward in the entire industry. So his tutoring is going to be definitely a great value addition for all of us. And it is also going to serve as a platform for Trimble SketchUp also to launch and take its products forward with us. So over to you, Adil. Thank you for joining with us. And I think we can start with the class. You're not audible. You're on mute. Yeah, yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Adil Muhammad, and I am currently working as a BIM engineer in BIM Labs Global Engineering Services Private Limited. And also, I am I am well professional in software training, and also as part of some projects, I will lead and I will assist some projects in Revit. Have you heard about Revit software? And in that Revit software, I will take part some projects, and it is basically it's a family creation, and I will complete some families regarding Aman Hegra project, that is Kio consultant. Shall we start the SketchUp training?
Yes, we can start, Adil. You can go
Yeah,
ahead.
okay. So
The participants will be able to only ask their questions in chat to you.
that
So when
so
you
okay.
find the time, you can answer, but we'll focus on taking the session forward. Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Yeah, okay. So first of all, I will just give a brief about the SketchUp software. All of you know about the SketchUp software. Basically, it's used for it's basically for modeling software. Okay. So we can model what buildings and some other landscaping, and as well as we can do some documentation parts also. Okay. Just I will share the screen. Okay, so can you see my screen? Yeah, okay. So basically, SketchUp, we are going to we are going to do some activities. Okay, activities for creating how we can create a model in SketchUp software. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, so I will stop my video, and after that I will share my screen. Okay. Okay. So basically, SketchUp software is basically, I already tell, SketchUp is a conceptual software in later. Okay. But now it's a parametric software like Revit, but we can do much more like Revit in our SketchUp software. We can just model using some simple tools, and also SketchUp is a simple software. Okay. We can handle it in our convenience, with our convenience. And also we can add more plugins like 1001 bit toolkit, and also there will be some rendering external rendering softwares also. Basically what SketchUp is not a rendering software. Okay, for the rendering purposes we didn't use the SketchUp software. For that purpose we have some external softwares called Lumion, V-Ray, Enscape like softwares. Okay.
Adil, just 1 minute,
Yeah,
Adil.
yeah.
Students and all professionals who are attending the program, there are a lot of architects also. We would like to inform that we will be sharing an attendance sheet in the end of the session today and all the 3 days. And you'll have to fill the attendance form that is shared to you in the chat so that the certificates can be issued. So kindly make sure that you're there and you attend the session. And please make sure you fill the attendance form without fail. Thank you, Adil. And I would also like to inform that we have crossed 500 participants, and there are other people who are messaging us who are not able to join the program because it's a 500 webinar. We've crossed almost 500 participants. We are at 500 now. So thank you all for your strong support towards Tasa. Over to you, Adil. Thank you.
Okay. Shall I continue?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So in the chat box, I see some questions. How to install SketchUp software? Basically, it's not a free software. Okay. Basically, it's a product of Trimble. You can get license from the Trimble account through Trimble account. And also, if you can start some free trials also. Okay, that I think it will be 30 days trial. Okay, and there will be no free. Okay, you can add license from Trimble SketchUp, and you can access the all products of SketchUp. Not only SketchUp, you can access Trimble Connect, like ACC, collaborative platform. Okay, 3D warehouse. Lot of things are available in Trimble account. So once you get the license, you can access the software also. Okay, back to the content. Okay, so this will be the basics of the SketchUp software. And if you get the software, here there will be a welcome screen. Okay, this is the welcome screen for the SketchUp software. And in the SketchUp software, you can see that there will be two windows. Okay, that is the create new model window, and also there will be a window called recent files. And in the recent files, you can open the recent files that you will work with the SketchUp software. And if you want to open a new project, or if you want to create a new project, there will be a lot of templates are available in this screen. Okay, in this window. And also, if you have any SketchUp file in your drive, you can simply open from this option. Okay, if you click on this open file option, now you can just select the SketchUp file where you want. Okay, so for creating a new model, you can see there will be a lot of templates are available. If you want to select more templates, you can click on that more templates option. You can see that there will be simple inches, simple meter, architectural inches, architectural millimeters, etc. like that. And also here you can see that there will be default template, and also my template option is here. Okay, you can either choose default template, or you can create your own template. Okay, your own template in this home screen. And here I will select simple meters. Okay, now I didn't select the architectural, I will just select the simple meters option, and you can see that this is our screen or workspace of our SketchUp software. Okay, so here I already said SketchUp is a simple software, and you can use it your own convenience. Okay, and also you can see that there will be some little more tools are available here. 1 minute, I will just. Okay. So in the title bar, you can see that there will be an untitled, and also which version or what software you use, that is marked in here. That is SketchUp Pro. I will use 2023 version, and you can download later versions in the site, in the website of Trimble. And also you can use 2022, 20, etc. like that. Okay. And also you can see that there will be an untitled option is present here. That is the default file name or default file of the file name of the SketchUp software is untitled. While we change it to any name, it will be changed. Okay, so the default file name is untitled. And also here you can see that there will be a lot of options is present here. Okay, 1 minute. I think 1 minute. Okay, so you can see that there will be some options are available in our menu bar, that is file, edit, view, camera, draw, tools, windows, extensions, help, etc. like that. And also in this side, you can see that there will be a default tray option is available. And also in this is our workspace. Okay, in this workspace, we want to create models. Okay, and also you can see that there will be some accesses. Okay, there will be a green axis and also a blue axis and also a red axis is available here. And also here in the toolbar, there will be no any much tools is available. So this toolbar is known as the getting started tool. Okay, in this getting started tool, there will be no any detailed tools are available. For detailed tools, we have to add that tool in our workspace. For that, just go to view option. Okay, and in the view option, you can see that there will be a toolbar option is present here. So just click on this toolbar option, and here you can see that there will be a lot of toolbars is available. Here you can see that I will integrate V-Ray with this software. So there will be some V-Ray options are available. And also, if you don't have the V-Ray with your SketchUp, this option will be absent in your toolbar. Okay, so here I will select the large tool set. Now you can see that in this side there will be a tool is present. Okay, and also it's similar to this tool. Here you can see that what in pencil tool there will be a drop down list is available. Using that drop down list, you can see that there will be a line, freehand, etc. like soft tools. And also in here, you can see that R2 point, R3 point, R5, etc. like that. Here in this large tool set, it will be given detail. Okay, it will be given detail. Using this tool, we have to create our models. Okay, and also here while we what get into our SketchUp software or SketchUp workspace, we select symbol meters. Okay, so here now I want to change my unit. Okay, I want to change my unit. For changing the unit, you can see that there will be a window option is present here. From that window option, there will be a model info is present. Okay, here you can see that in the model info, there will be some informations about the models. Okay, from that models, you can see that there will be a units option is present, and in the units option, there will be a format. The format, already all of you know about that format. We use decimal format, and if you want to work with meters, you can select the meters, or you are convenient with centimeters, you can just go to the centimeters option. Okay, so here I will select the centimeters, and also you can change the area, volume also, and also you can set the precisions. And also here there will be another option called angles also. Here by default we use degree angle, so just degree is what already fixed there. Okay, so I will just what select the centimeters. No need to click OK like things. It's automatically changed while we change meter to centimeter. Okay, so I will just close, and after that you can see that there will be a lot of options. So we can what just give a brief description about this options. Okay, this menu bars. So while go to the file, you can see that there will be a new option is present. So using that new option, we can create or we can take new workspaces, and also new from template, we can select a template. What was the difference between this is, if we click on that new, the current workspace is duplicated. And if you select from new from template, the template screen will be present there. Okay, there will be some question and answers. SketchUp application downloaded from works. No. SketchUp is not download from Play Store. Okay, it's just what simpler version. Sorry, your screen. Is my screen is visible? Please, anyone respond in the chat? Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. So I already mentioned SketchUp is not a free software. You can purchase the license from the Trimble. First of all, you have to create a Trimble account, and after that, you can purchase. While you purchase, you can get the SketchUp software along with some other facilities also. And also, we are also integrated with SketchUp software. Okay. So the next one is open, save, and save as. And also here there will be another option is present, save as template. Okay, I already said while in the welcome screen, we already said we can select default template or we can select from my template. If I want my screen, okay, in all projects, while I work in all projects, I want a line is what present defaultly while I open my workspace. So I just give that line to this and I will save this as a template. Okay, that will be displayed in the welcome screen as my template category. And also you can what arrange your location also. Okay, what location? Just what from the Google Map. Okay, Google Map, we can add a location also. And also I mentioned 3D warehouse. 3D warehouse means it's a it's a combination of 3D models. Okay, a lot of 3D models are arranged or it is saved in a location. That location is called 3D warehouse and it is only for the SketchUp. Okay, SketchUp components are collected in a space that is called 3D warehouse. If any 3D model we want, we can just go to the 3D warehouse and from that 3D warehouse, we can select that model and place it in our workspace. Okay, then Trimble Connect. Here I already mentioned Trimble Connect is a cloud. Okay, it's a cloud. It's act like a cloud. If I create a model and I will publish that model into Trimble Connect, you can directly access that model from the Trimble Connect. No need to install the SketchUp software. You can just view. Okay, you can just view that that model. Not for editing like that. You can just view that. Okay, you can just view that. Sir, I can sign into 3D warehouse. Okay. So next is the import and export option. We can import some files, okay, like Revit files or CAD files, etc. Like things we can import into our SketchUp software and work with that. And also we can export, okay, our model into 3D, then 2D graphic, then section slices, and also animations. We can create animations also, okay, but it's not perfect as that animation created from Revit or 3ds Max. We can create an animation, okay, that we can create a walkthrough. That is the correct term. Okay, we can create a walkthrough. Okay, then next is the layout we discussed in the last session, because after completing the model I will just mention a word that is documentation. Okay, we can annotate. Okay, we can annotate that model. For that annotation purpose, annotation means we can give the dimensions, text, tag, etc. like that. And also we have to, or we want to convert our model into a PDF format. Okay, that for that purpose we use the layout option. And also you can see that there will be a generate report option and also the recent files. Okay, recent files will be displayed in here. And also then go to the edit option. You can see that there will be some editing options is present here. And also you can see that there will be a component and group option is available. That will be discussed, okay, in our upcoming sessions. And also you can see that there will be an intersecting faces also. Okay, here also we discuss with the model. Okay, while we going to the creation of models, we discuss this intersect phases. Then next one is the view toolbar. Okay, that is our workspace view is controlled by using this option. Okay, we already discussed for creating or for getting the tools that we want to create. Okay, that will be accessed from this toolbar. And also you can see that there will be a lot of what visual options. Okay, that is hidden geometry, section planes, section cut, accesses. Here I will just tick off the accesses. You can see that the axis is gone. Okay, so that type of controls will be used by using this view option. And also you can see that there will be a guidelines is also present here. Here you already I think some of you work with the AutoCAD softwares like softwares. In AutoCAD, we have what orthographic mode. That means we can what create a straight line, or we can create some parallel lines by giving offsets. For that purposes, here we use the guidelines. Okay, we can use guidelines as guides. Okay, then you can see that there will be some visual styles also, shadow, fog, and also there will be edge styles, face styles, component edit, and also animation. I already mentioned we can create some simple animations through the SketchUp software. You can see that the animation, using this animation option, we can create some animations. And also here you can see that there will be some camera options are also available. In camera option, you can see that there will be different types of views, that is parallel projection, perspective, 2-point perspective, etc. And also you can see that there will be pan option, zoom option, orbit option, etc. like things are also available. Okay, then you can see that there will be a draw option is available. Here, using this draw option, we can create our model. Here in SketchUp software, I already mentioned SketchUp is a simple software, and here you can see that there will be 3 modeling tools are available. That is, one is the line, second is the arc, third is the shapes. These are the 3 drawing tools. Okay, drawing tools used in our SketchUp software. And also you can see that there will be a lot of modifying tools are available. Drawing tools and modifying tools. Drawing tools is used for drawing or modeling, and the modification tools is used for modifying the drawing elements. Okay, that is lasso, eraser, paint bucket, and move, rotate, scale, flip, and also tape measure, protractor, dimension, text, 3D text, etc. like this. And also next is the window option. I already said window option. So using that window option, we can change the units, and also we can change the preferences also. Okay, and also I will already set the use of 3D warehouse. Okay, and here there will be 2 options are available: component option and component attribute. Okay, so the next one is the extension warehouse. Okay, the main use or the main what advantage of this SketchUp software is we can add different plugins into our SketchUp software using this extension option. Okay, here you can see that here I will add 4 plugins, that is V-Ray, i3D, and also diffusion, and also Trimble Scan Essential. Okay, have you anyone heard about scan to BIM technology? Anyone? Yeah, okay. I will just go a little bit slow. Okay. No. Guidelines and tape are not same. Okay. So have you heard about what scan to BIM technology? So for that scan to BIM technology, no, okay. So there will be a technology called scan to BIM. Okay, we can scan the entire building using a specialized scanner. Okay, that the output from that scatter is called point cloud. Okay, using that point cloud data, we can simply model. Okay, see, we can simply model interior, exterior, etc. like things. Okay, using this Trimble Scan Essential option. And also you can see that there will be an extension warehouse and also an extension manager. Here, using the extension warehouse, we can add different plugins into our SketchUp software. And also using this extension manager, we can manage. If I didn't want this V-Ray in my SketchUp software, just we can go to the extension manager, and using the extension manager, you can see that here I will enable this V-Ray for SketchUp. If I didn't want, we can just disable it. Okay, you can just disable it and just click on the apply changes. You can see that here you can manage also. You can uninstall, update, etc. like things using the extension warehouse, sorry, extension manager software. And also using the extension warehouse option, you can add different kinds of extensions. I already said 1001 bit tools, Lumion Live Sync for SketchUp, etc. like what external plugins are available. And also there will be a SketchUp diffusion option is available in SketchUp software. Okay, that is AI integrated. Okay, with the help of AI, we can generate a concept. Okay, a conceptual model or a conceptual design will be generated using the AI software with the help of SketchUp diffusion, and it is provided by SketchUp Labs. They itself provide the SketchUp diffusion software. Okay, sorry, plugin. Then and after that, the last option is the help option. Okay, using the help option, we can ask our queries to the SketchUp support care, Trimble support care. Okay, and also here I will just set this is our getting started tool, and this is our large tools kit. And also here you can see that there will be default tray option is available. Default tray is available. V-Ray, it's a rendering software. Okay, V-Ray is a rendering extension. Okay, you can go to Chaos site, and you can install the V-Ray extension, and that V-Ray extension will be integrated to our SketchUp software. Okay, and okay. Okay, so how is the default tray come? Just go to the window option. Okay, just go to the window option. You can see that. If I just click on that close button, you can see in the window option, there will be a default tray option, and click on the show tray. Okay, in the show tray, you can see that there will be a little more options is available. That options is also managed using the default tray option. Here you can see that if I didn't want the materials tray, you can just tick off that, or else you can just close it in here. Okay, so you can manage using the you can manage the default tray in the Windows option. Just note down it. Okay, just note down it. You can just manage the default tray in the Windows option. Okay, and also you can create. Okay, you can create your own tray, your own default tray. And also here, this is our okay. So 3D warehouse. 3D warehouse is not like it's a collection of 3D documents. So sorry, 3D models. Okay, it's a collection of 3D models. We can use it in our workspace. Like I want to create, or I want to place a chair, okay, in my model. So we can just go to the 3D warehouse. I will just demonstrate it. Okay, I will just demonstrate it. You can just go to the 3D warehouse. Okay, you can just go to the 3D warehouse. You can just go to the 3D warehouse. Using that 3D warehouse, Here you can see that. You can see that there will be a lot of models are available. You can select or you can download it. And after downloading, you can place it here in our model. Okay, that is the default tray, sorry, 3D warehouse option. Okay. And here default tray, in the default tray, you can see that there will be some entity info. That means if anything that we draw or that we do in our what workspace, it will be that information will be displayed in here. Here you can see that there will be no selection. So I will just go through or place my mouse and click it this shape. You can see that component one in model, and also their definition is header. Okay, and there will be no any attributes is available. Okay, so that is the entity info. And also using the styles option, you can change the default style. Okay, then go to the tags. Okay, wherever you use AutoCAD software, there will be some layer option is available. Okay, that layer is same purpose as that of the layer is tag. Okay, in AutoCAD software, it will be what displayed as layer, but in our SketchUp software, it will be displayed as tag. Okay, and after that, you can see that there will be shadow. Here we can arrange the position of the sun, or we can control the lighting. Okay, we can control the lighting of the sun. And also you can see the scenes. I already mentioned, okay, I already mentioned we can create animations through the SketchUp software. For that animation creation, we use this scenes option. We can generate different scenes, and after that we can visualize it. Okay, we can walk through it, or we can add some movements for that scenes. And then next one is the instruction option. So if using this instructor option, we can guide, okay, what tool is used for which purpose. So here my selection is what? Selection tool. So the purpose of the selection tool is clearly mentioned in the instructor. If I select on the pencil tool, now you can see that here this is the line tool, and the line tool is used for what and how to operate that tool. That will also be what displayed in our instructor tab. If I click on the move tool, now you can see that move tool, what was the purpose of move tool and how we can operate that move tool. And also here the move tool is some characteristics. It is not only used for moving, it's also used for copy, array, etc. like things. Okay, etc. like things, we use this tool also. Then this is the instructor tool. And if we want to escape, okay, we want to escape from a tool, all other software has escape tool. If in our, just I will say an example, if in AutoCAD software, okay, AutoCAD software, I select a line tool, and if I want to get back from that line tool, you can just click on the escape button. But in the case of SketchUp software, you can only escape by selecting the selection tool, or you can just press space bar in our keyboard. Okay, you can just click on the space bar. Okay, that will be the escaping from a tool. Okay, then next is the outliner, and outliner and match photo we will discuss later. And also you can see that there will be a material option is present here. We can add materials also, and also here you can see that there will be components. Either you can access the 3D warehouse from these components also. Okay, all the components that we place in our SketchUp workspace will be displayed here. Okay, it will be displayed here. So we can access that components from here also. That is the component option. And here you can see that our workspace, okay, our workspace comprises of three axes. That is a green axis and a red axis and also a blue axis. And also you can see that there will be a picture is available. That picture represents which workspace we are belong. Here, this is our workspace or this view. Okay, for understanding that view, okay, for that purposes, this picture is aligned here. Okay, and also we can zoom in and zoom out using the scroll button. Okay, you can use the scroll button, you can zoom in and zoom out. And also if you want to move, okay, if you want to move the screen, you can just press the control. Okay, just press the control option and just click on the scroll button. Okay, my scroll button is not working, so I just go to the orbit option, or either you can select the orbit option, okay, by rotating, for rotating the screen. You can see that here this is our axis, and based on that axis the screen is rotated. Okay, and also the header is also rotating. Okay, header is also rotating. And also if you want to pan, okay, if you want to pan the screen, just click on the pan option. Now you can see that wherever I want to pan the screen, I just go to the pan option, and also you can just pan the screen. And here zoom in and zoom out, just zoom in and zoom out, you can just use the scroll button. And also if you want to escape, okay, if you want to escape from the tool, just click on the space bar. Okay, just click on the space bar. And after that, just we go through the tools. Okay, here I already mentioned we have three tools. Okay, three drawing tools. That is line, arc, and shape. Okay, line, arc, and shape. Now you can see that all the line tools, okay, all the what drawing tools will be arranged here in the large tool set. And for this, I will just select the line tool, and after that I will just go to the, here you can see that I will just what draw. Okay, 1 minute, I will change my mouse. Okay. Okay, so here you can see that I will select the pencil tool or line tool, and after that you can draw lines. For drawing lines, just click anywhere. Okay, anywhere, that is the starting point. So starting point, and you can see that anywhere in the direction I can create a line. But if I want to create a straight line, okay, if I want to create a straight line, for that you have to refer the axis. If I want to create a parallel line or straight line, what against the green axis, so I just drag that line. You can see that the color of the line is changed to green. That means what? That means what? We can say that the line that I draw is parallel or straight line to the green axis. But it is little bit confusing, is it? So I want to change. So I want to change the view. For changing the view, you can see that there will be no any views option is available here. So we have to put it that view option into our screen. For that, just go to the tool, view option, and in the view option there will be toolbar. And in the toolbar, you can see that there will be a views option is available. and I just click on it. You can see that there will be some default view options are available. There will be 7 views. That will be, first one is the isometric. If I click on that isometric view or orthographic view, okay, orthographic view, you can see that. If I click on that orthographic view, you can see that orthographic, that is 3D model, will be given or get. Then if the next one is the top option, now you can see that here I draw a line parallel to the green axis in orthographic mode. It will be correct. And also this is the front view. You can see that this is the front view. And also you can see that it's the right view and left view and back view and also bottom view. Bottom view is also available in our SketchUp software. Okay. Then next is the, I just click on that view option, isometric option. Then again, I want to create a line. So just click on the lines option and you can see that if I want to start a line with the end point of the previous line, just place that cursor in the end point. Now you can see that. And also if I want to create a line from the midpoint of this line, just go through this line and you can see that there will be midpoint. And just click on that midpoint. Now you can see that. And also you have another way. Okay, you have another way to create straight line. You can use your arrow keys. Okay, if I click on this right arrow. Okay, right arrow, you can see that the line is only created in the red axis, parallel to the red axis. And if I click on the upside arrow, okay, if I click on the upside arrow, you can see that line is locked. Okay, you can see that constrained on line. Line is constrained with this axis. And also if I click on the left arrow, you can see that. You can see that. So either you can use the arrow keys. Okay, arrow keys also. Okay, then I will click on the escape and I will draw. Okay, I will draw that line. Okay, and also you can use the shift. Okay, shift button. Okay, if I want to create a straight line in the green axis, then place the cursor in the green axis and press shift. Okay, by holding shift. If I hold that shift, it will be constrained. If I release that shift, okay, here you can see that while I press that shift button in the blue axis, that will be constrained. And if I release it, now you can see that will be gone, or that constraint will be end. And here I will just select on that and delete it. And after I just select the pencil tool and I will create a rectangle. Okay. Now you can see that a rectangle is created. But not only the lines will be created. Along with that line, you can see that a surface is also generated. Okay, a surface is also generated. If I click on that inside of this rectangle, or if any closed figure, okay, not only the rectangle, any closed figure will be drawn, or we draw any closed figure, that automatically create a surface also. If I go to the line tool, you can see that I will just create any shape. Okay, now you can see that. Now you can see that along with that lines, if the line that we drawn is closed, it will be created a surface also. Okay, that is the main advantage of the SketchUp software. And here using the surface, we generate our models. Okay, and also I want to create a line with an accurate measurement. Okay, accurate measurement. Now I select that line tool. You can see that here in this side. Okay, here in this side there will be length is displayed. Here you can see that if I want to create a 500 centimeter line, so I just type 500 here and just press enter. Now you can see that the 500 length of line will be displayed here. And also if I want to create a 300 centimeter of line in the red axis, along with the red axis or parallel to the red axis, I will just click on the 300. Now you can see that if I will just go here, I want to create a straight line here. Now you can see that we have some tracing lines are also available here. Here, just go to this. No need for clicking. Okay, no need for clicking. Just move that cursor into this point and just go here. Now you can see that. That point will be displayed and just click on here and just close that figure. Now you can see that. Now you can see that a surface is created. And here I want to delete these elements. Okay, I want to delete these elements. So I will click here and delete it. What happens? Only the surface is deleted. Okay, inside the surface is deleted. There will be no any change in the outside surface. If we want to delete the outside surface, just click on the lines. Okay, just click on the lines and delete it. Or either we can use the eraser button. Okay, using the eraser button, you can see that. Okay, you can see that that line will be deleted. Okay, and also if we want to create surface also, we can again draw a line here. Okay, and also in this figure also we can do or we can create multiple profiles. Here I will create from here. Now you can see that if I select it, it will be separated. Now you can see that. And also here I will just select here, or I will draw a line from here to here. Now you can see that it will be 3 profiles or 3 planes. Okay, that is the another use of our SketchUp software. Okay, and also now you can see that if I select on that line tool, it will be length will automatically coming to here. But I want to set a measurement permanently in my workspace. So for that, go to the view, and in the view option, you can see that there will be a measurement option. Okay, there will be a measurement option and click on that. Now you can see that the length is permanently fixed here. If you want to measure or you want to create an accurate measurement line, you can just type, okay, 565. You can see that while I typing in the keyboard, that will be displayed from there. Okay, by using that, you can create a line or a closed figure. Okay, just using the keyboard. Okay, using the keyboard, just click on anywhere. Okay, or you can click the start point, and after you can guide the direction, in which direction you want to create a line. So just move the mouse in that direction. It will be on red axis. You can go through the red axis, and after that you can just type. Okay, if I want to create 300 or 350 centimeter line, you can just type 350 and then enter. Now you can see that the measurement is 350. The 350 line is created here. Okay, and now you can see that in the line option, you can see that there will be a freehand option is available. Using the freehand option, you can see that I will just draw any line. Okay, any line, not a straight line. If I close that line, it will be appeared a profile. And also, if I go to the eraser and I will just remove the extra lines. Now you can see that. I will just remove the extra lines. Okay, I just remove the extra lines. You can see that. Okay, that is the eraser tool and the pencil and freehand. And I will just select on all and delete it. Okay, and after that, I just go to the top view. Just go to the top view. And now the next one is the rectangle tool. Okay, so you can see that while I select on the rectangle tool, we can create rectangles or squares. Okay, by using two methods, we can create rectangles. One is the side point rectangle, and then second one is the center point rectangle. Now first is the side point rectangle. Okay, if I want to create a rectangle from here, just go to here and click on here. Now you can see that. And also in this portion, dimension is available. Here you can see that. If I drag the, not dragging, not click and drag, just click on anywhere and move your mouse points. Move your mouse to anywhere, that will be automatically created. Okay, and after that, if you have length and width, you can just type it. If I want to create a 500 by 600 centimeter rectangle, just you can type the 500 and then type the comma. Okay, and then just type the comma and type the second dimension and just click on OK. Now you can see that 500 by 300 centimeter of rectangle is created. And the second one is what I already said. The second one is what? Center point rectangle. So for changing the side point rectangle to center point, now you can see that the cursor is in a corner. Okay, the mouse cursor or the line tool or the rectangle tool is in a corner. Okay, now it will be changed to center. You can see that. If I press Control, okay, if I press Control, you can what toggle the drawing points. Okay, drawing point to center at side. So if I will click on the control button, now you can see that. Now you can see that. What happens? The circle, sorry, the rectangle is generated based on the center point. Okay, based on the center point. And again, we can create using dimensions. So I want to create a 200 by 150 centimeter of rectangle. So I will just type the 200 and 150 in our keyboard and then press OK. Now you can see that. So this rectangle is created based on the center, and this rectangle is created on the basis of side. Okay, one side. Okay, this is the rectangle tool. And also you can see that there will be another option is called rotated rectangle with respect to any plane. Okay, with respect to any plane, we can create a rectangle from another plane to another plane, not from to another plane. Okay, I will just demonstrate it. Okay, I will just go to the isometric view. Okay, isometric view, and after that I will select the rotated rectangle, and now you can see that there will be a protractor symbol is present in our cursor point. So just click anywhere and give a plane. Okay, give a direction to create that side. So here I want to construct my rectangle with respect to red axis. So I just click on here, and here now you can see that anywhere, okay, in any angle I will create. Now you can see that here you can see that an angled rectangle will be created with respect to the red axis. Okay, so by using a reference axis, we can create a rectangle in different axes. Okay. The screen in Note changed as the tutor taking how to make measurement boxes to get edited. Mine was not able to type measurements. I think it's your problem because the measurement is coming in here. and you can check in the view tab. Okay, you can check in the view tab and go to the toolbar. In the toolbar option, you can see a measurement option. Using that measurement option, you can type the measurement also. Okay, and also now the next one is the circle. Okay, while again I am going to the top view and go to the circle. Now you can see that here the circle is created, and we can type the diameter, sorry, radius. Okay, type the radius. You can see that here radius option is present, and using any radius we can create circle. Okay, if I want to create a circle with 250 centimeter radius, so I just type 250. Okay, just type 250 and then press enter. Now here you can see that while I zoom in, okay, while I zoom in, the sides is not properly shaped. What was that? Because in our SketchUp software, it's based on sides. Okay, please repeat the angle. Okay, I will repeat once again. Okay, after completing these tools. Okay, so while I go into this circle again, you can see that the sides is not perfectly arranged. This is not properly, this is not smoothed. Okay, so for smoothening that sides, you can just click on this circle, and now you can see that there will be a sides option is present. Okay, there will be a sides option is present. So first of all, you give the sides. So I will give the sides as 100. And after that, I will just create 250 centimeter of, so 250 centimeter radius of circle. Now we can compare it. Okay, now we can compare it. Now you can see here I zoom in. Here this is the 24 sided circle, and also this is the 100 sided circle. The smoothness of the surface of the circle is increased while we add more sides. Okay. Rectangles. No, I think 2021 version has this, because there will be a feature in segment. Sorry, SketchUp. Okay. Once the 2023 updated, it will be also reflected in 2021 also. Okay, maybe I will check it in the next day and I will reply to it. Okay. So here you can see that. In another case, okay, I will select the circle. Okay, I will select the circle. And after that, just I will select the 24 side. Okay, I will select the 24. And if here, after selecting or after clicking the center point, we can change the sides by typing number of sides, and we can give a suffix of yes. Okay, we can suffix the yes and then press enter. Now you can see that. Here, I will just, once again, I will just demonstrate. If I will click a center point while creating the circle, we can change the sides also by clicking 24. Then yes, okay, yes will be given as suffix. That means we want to create a 24-sided circle. So just give the 24s and enter it. Now you can see that. If I want to create a 10-sided rectangle, okay, sorry, circle, then I will click on the 10s. Okay, 10, yes. Now you can see that here 10-sided. Okay, if I want to change the side to 100, what we do? Just go to the 100. Just type the 100 in our keyboard, and after that, enter or give a suffix as yes, and then press enter. Then give the radius. Okay, if I want to create a 350 radius, so we can create it that. Okay. Just for smoothing the circle, we can change the sides. Okay, we can change the sides. Just click on that circle, and after that, you can just use the suffix s. Okay, not prefix, suffix. Okay, suffix s, that is 24s, and then press enter. Now you can see that there will be displayed 100 sides. Now you can see that the pointer, okay, the pointer will be displayed as 100 sides. Okay, so the class will be at 8 p.m. Okay, at 8 p.m. Okay, then next is the polygon. Okay, here you can see that polygon. So here we can create polygon in two ways. That is circumscribed radius and inscribed radius. Okay, here you can see that the polygon is created on the basis of tangent points. Okay, sorry, inside points. Okay, inscribed points. And if I want to create circumscribed, that means using the reference with respect to the tangents. Using with respect to the tangents, just click on the control option. Now you can see that the changing, you can see that. Now you can see that. Okay, first one is the tangent points. Okay, that edge of the polygon will be at tangent points. And the second one is what? The line will be created on the tangent points. Okay, that is the difference between inscribed and circumscribed polygon. Okay, and after that, you can provide the radius. Okay, on the basis of circle, we can create the radius, the polygon. And also here also the sides will be, number of segments will be changed. Okay, number of segments will be changed. By giving the number with suffix as yes. That is, if we want to change it to 7-sided polygon, we can just click on the 7s. And if we want to draw 5-sided polygon, just type 5 with and along with the s, and then press enter. Now you can see that 5-sided polygon. And also we can change, or we can toggle the inscribed and circumscribed by clicking control button. Okay, by clicking the control button. And then next is the arc button. Arc button means what? We can create an arc. Okay, so first is, and also you can mind it. Okay, here you can display some messages also. Here, while I clicking on the arc tool, you can see that center point, select the center point. So I will select the center point, and you can see that select the first arc point or enter the radius. Okay, so if this is my first arc point, so I will click on here, and after that just draw it. Now you can see that the arc is created, and also here only arc is created, not along that arc a surface is created. Okay, because this is not a closed figure. Okay, that is the arc option. And next one is the 2-point arc. Here we will create what? 1 point with respect to 1 point, and the 2-point arc is created on the basis of 2 points. Okay, first of all, we have to click on the start point, then the end point, and the bulging. Okay, bulging is not same as the radius. Okay, bulging is not same as the radius. We can create a bulge here. Okay, and also we can type the bulge in measurements also by using our keyboard. Okay, by using our keyboard, you can see that here there will be a bulge measurement option is present, and also 1 minute. Okay, so this is the bulge. So we can either give measurement directly from our mouse or we can type it, okay, within our keyboard. So I will just give a bulge of 300. Okay, so I will just type 300 in my keyboard and then press enter. Now you can see that. And also you can see that there will be a 3-point arc. So first point and the second point and the third point. Okay, here you can see that based on the 3 points. Now I want to create an arc along with these 3 points. What we do? Just go to the 3-point arc and click on the first point and the second point and the third point. Now you can see that. With respect to these 3 points, we can create an arc. Okay, that is the arc tools. Okay. Okay. So now we we can cover the modeling tools. Now we are going to the modifying. Okay. So I will delete all the tools and after that just I am go to the top view and I will create a rectangle here. Okay. So now I want to move this rectangle. Okay. So for that, I want to select this rectangle. Here we have move option here. Okay. Now I click on here. You can see that move, copy or distort selected entities. So first of all, for moving, what we do? We have to select. Okay. We have to select the object that we want to move. So I will select here. And after that, I will just go to the move tool and select it. Now you can see that moving option is available. And also if I want to move this object into a constraint, that means I want to move this object through x-axis only or green axis only or blue axis only. So for that, what we do, we already discussed, we use the keyboard shortcut. That means if I click on the right arrow, okay, if I click on the right arrow, it will only move through red axis. If I click on the top axis, top arrow, it will go through the blue axis. And if I click on the left arrow, you can see that it will only moving through the or only move parallel to the green axis. Okay. And also, okay. And also, if I want to copy these elements, okay. And also one thing you have to be remember, if I will select this object, okay, once it will be selected our plane only. Okay, if I want to delete the whole element, what we do, just select this object. And if I click on the delete, it didn't delete all the elements. If I want to delete the whole element, what we do, just one click, the plane will be selected. If again click, that means double click, the object whole selected. So for the selection of a 2D object, what we do, just click on the double click. Okay, if we double click, that operation will select all the objects. And if I want to copy this object, what we do, there will be no any copy tool is available here. Separate copy tool is available here. Along with the move tool, we use copy tool. Okay, so for that, I will select all the object and also click on the move tool. Now you can see that move operation is activated. But I want to copy. So for copying, what we do, just press on the control. If I click on the control button, what we do, just you can see that I will copy elements. So for copying, what we do, just click on the object that we have to copy. We need to copy, select on that, and after that, go to the move tool and click control button. Now you can see that if I click on that control button, what happens? There will be a positive sign will be appeared on the arrow key. Okay, that indicates the copy tool is activated. Okay, that indicates the copy tool. Then after that, I will click on here, and after that you can see. Now also, along with this, we can use the array tool also. Array tool means what? We can copy the object in a certain distance. Okay, certain distance, multiply. So here you can see that I will delete these two objects. And after that, I want to copy this object into 5. Okay, 5 copies will be created. So for that, just click on here. And after that, you can select by clicking control, and you can copy the first item. Okay, you can copy the first item, and after that, before deactivating the selection, you just type the star. Star means multiply. Okay, multiply symbol in the distance box. Okay, hope you guys see the screen. In the screen, there will be a star option, and after that, number of times the object is to be copied. That number will be typed there. So I want to create a 5 copies. Then I will just type star, and after that I will just click on 5. Now you can see that 5 copies are available. Okay, 5 copies are available. Here 5 copies means the selected object plus 4. Okay, selected object plus 4. Okay, that is the array tool. Okay, that is the array tool. So once again, if I want to create a multiple copy of this object, what we do? Just select the item. And after that, just click on the copy button. Okay, how can we copy? Just simply click on the move tool and click on the control button. That makes the copy. And after that, just place the first copy. Okay, first copy I will place. Before deactivating the selection, just type the star button. Okay, just type the star, and after that, select the number of copies that we need. Okay, I need 4 number of copies, that is total of 5. So I will just click on the star 4, and after that, you can see that 5 number of copies are available. Okay, that is the move tool. Okay, sorry, move, copy, and array tool. Okay. Okay, then after that, you can see that here there will be a surface is created. So here all the 5 surface is a 3D surface. Okay, all the 5 surface is a 2D surface. So I want to make these 5 surface in a 3D. So for that, we use the push or pull tool. It's the most important tool. Okay, it's the most important tool. That is what push or pull tool. I will select that push or pull tool, and after that you can see that if I will place my mouse in the surface of the rectangles, it will be selected, and select the 2D draw, 2D 2D figure that we want to convert into 3D. Just select it, and you can see that the surface is extruded. Okay, here I will extrude the surface, and after that, now you can see that a 3D surface, a cube. Okay, a cube like structure is developed, and also I can select each faces. Now you can see that I will select each faces, that is 6 faces I can select. And also now I will just delete this. Okay, I will just delete this, and after that I want to divide this surface into 2. So what we do for division, what we do, just go to the line tool, and in the line tool, just I will draw a line from middle to middle. Okay, if we can find middle easily. Okay, and after that, going to push or pull tool. Now you can see that. Now I will select on that, and after that, you can see that that much part will be only be extruded. Now you can see that, and after that, we can divide this part also. So go to the line tool, and after that, just find the middle, and after that, you can see that. Now I will extrude this. Okay, this to this. You can see that. You can see that part is extruded. And also we can extrude also. Okay, the opposite of extrusion. So I want to delete this much area. Okay, sorry, divide this much area. Now two surfaces generated here by adding a line. And after that, I want to extrude or decrease the size of this area. So just go to the push or pull tool, and after that you can see that. And after that you can see that that much surface is distributed. And also anything, okay, anything we can give the drawing. Okay, we can give a draw or we can give a separation, and after that you can just delete it. Now you can see that here all the surface that we made in this SketchUp software is using the push or pull tool. Okay, then next is the rotate tool. Okay, so likewise move tool we can rotate also. Okay, rotate, rotated copy, etc. like things also. For rotating, just I will select the first object. Okay, I will select the object that we have to rotate it, and just click on the rotate button, and just click on the axis that we want to rotate, and what specify the rotation reference line. Okay, reference line, and just give the angle. Now you can see that. Just give the angle. Okay, you can just give the angle from here, or you can use the protractor. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, here this is the 360, and now you can see that this is the 15 degree and 45 degree. If I want to rotate this into 75 degree, you can rotate it. And also you can create a rotated copy also. Okay, I will just undo it, and after that going to the rotated copy, and also I will specify the line by clicking control. Now you can see that a rotated copy is also available, and that repeated or array option is also available here. Before deactivating the selection, just click on the star button, and after that I will provide the number of copies that we want to make, and just enter. Now you can see that if it will be 8, just once again select on the star button and just click on the 8 and enter. Now you can see that if it will be 15, I will just click on the 15. Now you can see that. Okay, so by using this option, we can create a rotated copy also, and also we can erase it. Okay, erase it. Now you can see I will erase the whole inside surfaces. Okay, I will erase all the inside surfaces. It will be make one structure. Okay, so I will just remove the inside surfaces. Okay, I will just remove the inside surfaces, inside partition. Okay, by clicking the erase tool, eraser tool. Here. And after that, if I want to create this structure as a 3D model, okay, so just go to the push or pull button. Now you can see that. Now you can see that that much object is extruded. And also if I want to separate this area from this, what we do, just create a partition using the line tool, and just go to the push or pull tool, and after that we can distort it, or we can subtract that area from this figure. Okay, so and after that, here this is another option called follow me tool. If I want to create a separate profile. Okay, if I have a profile in my hands and I want to make that profile through a particular path, that will be possible through this follow me tool. Okay, so for that I will just make a path. Okay, I will just make a path. Here I will just make a path like this. Okay, I will just make a path like this. and I have a profile. Okay, here I will draw a profile. Here I will draw a profile like this. Here I draw a profile like this. So here you can see that this is a profile, and this profile is, I want this profile whole through, created whole through this path. So for that, just go to the follow me tool, and after that select the profile and lead the path. Okay, now you can see that if I lead the path, now you can see that that profile is created whole the path. Now you can see that. Okay, here in this way we can create the cornices. Okay, cornices of the building like things using this follow me tool. Okay, so the condition is what it will be, the profile and the path will be in different plane. If the profile is in what the path is in what longitudinal plane, what the profile will be in latitudinal plane. So opposite planes. Okay, the two surfaces or the plane and the profile and the path will be different faces or different axes. That is the one condition you have to be noted. Okay, and also here I will once again I will just give an example. Here you can see that. Here you can see that I will create, sorry, here I will create a path. Okay, now you can see that I will create a path, and after that I will create a profile also. Okay, I will create a profile also. Now I just create a simple profile. Okay, you can work out with complexes. You can use curves also. Okay, you can use the curves also. Okay, I will just use a curve. Here, this is the profile. Okay, so once the first method is you can select the follow me tool, or either you can select the path first. Okay, by using control you can multiple select the path, and after that select the follow me tool and click on the profile. Now you can see that. Now you can see that all the path, throughout the path the profile is created. Okay, and also you can adjust it out. Okay, adjust it also while I click here and also here. Now you can see that here this is a surface. Now I will just cut it. Now I just cut it. Okay, here, here you can see that this is also done. Okay, all the thing that we do in our SketchUp software is using the pencil tool and push or pull tool. Okay, can you repeat the last part? Can you explain the lead on option? Explain. Sir, I don't have this command. How do we select multiple elements in a workspace when we are working in a 3D? When we do, okay. So here you can see that I will select the what I will create the 2D into 3D. Okay, we already discussed how we can select the 2D elements. 2D elements can be selected by using double click, and the 3D elements, okay, 3D elements can be selected using 3 clicks. Okay, triple click. Okay, while I will just click on the double click, it will be selected the 2D. Okay, 2D part of the 3D image. And if I want to select the whole part of this object, what we do? Just click on the triple click. Okay, just click on the triple click. Okay. Yeah, we can create arc edge. Here you can see that. Here I create an arc edge, arc shaped edge. Okay. So we don't get that grouping part. I think we will discuss it in the next classes. Okay, that grouping part. Okay, grouping part will be discussed in the next classes. Okay, can you please repeat the rotate and copy once? It's simple, bro. Just once again, if we want to rotate an object, okay. If I will create a rectangle, and if I want to create or I want to rotate this rectangle, okay, just select it. And after that, just go to the rotated option, and after that select the point where you want, that is axis. Okay, select the axis that we want to, or that you want to make rotated. So click on that. Here my axis is the center point, and after that you can select, or you can specify the reference, or rotated plane, or rotated axis. Here this is my rotated axis, and after that you can rotate. If you want to copy it, okay, if you want to copy it, just press Ctrl. Now you can see that. If I click on that Ctrl, you can see that. If you want to create multiple copies, then you can just type star, and after that number of copies you want to create. If I want to create 5 number of copies, just type the star 5, and after that you can create it. Okay. Okay. Okay, then next is the mirror option, scale option. So it will be discussed in the next class. And also the next is the offset. Okay, offset means what? We have to create a offset distance. So for that, I will create a rectangle, and after that, just I want to create another inside rectangle. Okay, another inside rectangle with some measurements. So for that, just click on the offset button and select the side. You can create either in the inner or in the outer. You only provide the distance also. Okay, here I want to create a 500 distance of offset. So I just type on the 500. Now you can see that 500 distance of offset is created, and you can create here. Now I want to create like this. Now you can see that. Now you can see that will be. Also, you can draw any shapes in the surface also. Okay, here you can see that in the surface I will create a rectangle. Now I want to give a hole. Okay, here you can give a hole. Now you can see that. Okay, this will also be done using the push or pull tool. Okay, and also the next one is the mirror tool. Okay, this is the new addition to our SketchUp software, that is mirroring or flipping. Okay, so for flipping the tool, just select the object by triple click. Okay, and after that select the mirror option, and after that you can select the you can select the plane that you want to copy it. Okay, if you want to copy it, just press Ctrl. Okay, by Ctrl pressing, you can just take an exact copy of this object. And here, this object. So I will triple click this and go to the mirror option, and I want to create it in blue axis. So I will just move the blue axis, and after that I will just click on the control. Now you can see that. Now you can see that a rotated copy of this object is created, that is the mirrored copy. Okay. How to show basement? Basement means you said it will be in the part of building, is it? So what is the star option to multiply easily? Not able to find, sir. Star option. So for creating a star option, you can just have a calculation. Okay. So based on that calculation, you can just give the dimensions. You can just give the number of copies that do you want. That will help you to make a star. Okay. So, any questions? Can you repeat the curve part? If I have to make a curved corner square on an AutoCAD drawing reference, how to do it? I can't get it. Can you repeat the curve part? If I have to make a curved corner square on a AutoCAD drawing reference, how to do it? I didn't get you, anonymous attendee. Please, can you say once again? Okay, if the path for follow me tool is combination of straight lines and curves, will follow me work? It's a combination of straight lines and curves. I think it will be difficult, bro. Sir, how to make the push button follow me tool not able to do, sir? Can you do it slowly? Okay, so once again, I will just show the follow me tool. Okay, so for doing that follow me tool, just we have to, we want a path. So I am going to create a path. Okay, here I will create a path. Okay, here I will create a path and I have a profile too. Okay, here this is my profile. Okay, here this is my profile. Okay, this is my profile. So I want to create this shape or this profile. This is the cross section. Okay, this is the cross section of a shape. So this cross section I want to create all along the path. So for that, you can just select the path. Okay, you can just select the path by pressing the control button. And after that, just go to the follow me tool and select the profile. Now you can see that that profile will be created all along the path. And also you can give the what you can give the what modifications also. Okay, if I want to create a curve here, okay, here I want to create a curve here. Now I want to create or I create a curve here using the push or pull button. You can simply make it. Okay, you can simply make it. Here also I will create a create an arc here and also just I use it from here. Okay, and also from here. You can just do it. Okay, here also. Okay, in an adjustment. Okay, and also here you can see that. Okay, here you can do some adjustments. Okay, by doing some other things. Okay. Sir, can you please repeat the part on how to multiply around how we select multiple places? Sir, for the offset option, we need to enter the dimension of the inner space or the distance from the outer shape. You can do two ways. Okay, you can either give inner shape or you can do outer shape. The two thing is okay. Sir, can you please repeat the part on how to multiply around? It's not much task for creating the rotation. Okay, creating the rotated copies. Just select the object and go to the rotate option and then create the or select the point that we want to rotate. And after that, we just select the axis, and after that, just press the control button. Okay, just press the control button. Control gives you copy. Okay, and after that, if you want to multiply copy, just type the star button. Okay, star button in the keyboard, and you can type the number of copies you want. Here I want 6 number of copies, and just click on here and enter. Now you can see that n number of copies or 6 number of or 8 number of copies is created. Okay. Okay. So now we are done. We are done with the today's session. So question and session. Sir, attendance form.
Dear participants, please fill the attendance sheet that has been shared in the chat. If you fill all days only, we will be able to furnish the certificates. So kindly fill it and then exit.
So thank you all.